railways and dumplings for people all over the world to try. I forgot about them. It's a decent size. Something feels good. Use only half this time. Cut into desired size. Ready, go. Over high medium heat. Brother lard is indispensable. Fry the spam. You can fry until brown. 2 eggs. Add rice when it is half cooked. The lard makes the cold rice crispy. Crush the clumps together. ½ teaspoon salt. Blend in the entire product. Sprinkle black pepper over all. Pinch of sugar. One handful of green onions. Open the middle. 2 teaspoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon sage. Hold out until water is gone. Stir fry thoroughly. Completed. Please spread the word around the world.